This is a 2-bedroom, got renovated. It's a top floor, First Avenue between 63rd, 64th. There's a beautiful kitchen, stainless steel appliances. Everything is brand new. Granite countertop, microwave with a hood and the lights. Deep sink. It has a dishwasher. There's room for a table. That's a window. It's under construction right now. The heat and hot water is included. This is the living room area. Has a washer and dryer in the unit. Beautiful bathroom with skylight. Granite countertop, brand new everything. There's another closet here. And this bedroom is a king size bed. It's very, very large. Semi-open view. Very quiet, facing the back of the building. Very high ceiling. Large closet. That fits a king size bed as well. Large closet.